Aweba, we means to wash, to clean, to cleanse. And ba has many meanings, but the one that relates to this name is the one that means to do something with. Timba ba ṣe nǹkan, it means that I am doing that thing with you. So how does it relate to this name? Very simple. The child to be washed and to be kept company with. Ọmọ tá ó wẹ̀ fún, tá wàá bá ṣe. We shall wash this child, we shall cleanse this child, and then keep company with the child. This is a name given to a child whose Àkọsẹ̀jayé has revealed we do a lot of very serious things with a water Orisha. Maybe as a priest or an Elegun or simply a messenger. But if a child has been born into the home of the devotees of a water Orisha, this name is one of the Oriki that can be given to that child. Aweba, Wàá Ṣere.